Listen to me very carefully, because you have two choices when it comes to money. You can either use whatever money you have left to make useless purchases, or you can choose to invest it in passive income generating areas to then use it on useless purchases. Your money, your choice. I'm Money Magnet, and in this absolutely great, fantastic piece of art I call a video, I'm presenting you with 8 ideas to generate that sweet passive income. Watch the video until the end to discover the best methods of making money while you sleep, travel, or spend quality time with your sugar mama. Let's get right to it, dudes and dudettes. One, dividend stocks. You're gonna hate me for saying this, but one of the best yet slow and boring passive income methods is dividend stocks. These are shares of solid companies that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders. As you build your portfolio, these payouts can become a significant income stream. It's like having your very own money tree. To start, you'll want to research and identify companies with a history of consistent dividends. Look at their financial health, dividend yield, and payout history. You can also use AI tools to analyze the performance of companies and select which of them to invest in. Investing in dividend stocks is a long-term strategy, so patience is key. But when those dividends start rolling in, you'll see the power of compounding. 2. Create an online membership community. Do you see yourself as a leader? The alpha of all specimens, the Chad of all Chads, and the king of all jungles? Here's how you can use your skills to make money. Concept is simple. Identify a topic you're interested in and know about, like feet or whatever. Then, create an exclusive online community where members pay a monthly or annual fee for access to premium content, resources, and a community of like-minded individuals. Select a platform to host your membership community. Popular options include Patreon, Memberful, and WordPress with membership plugins. Each platform offers various features to help you manage and monetize your community. Determine the pricing structure for your community. You can offer tiered membership levels with different benefits. Pricing should reflect the value members receive. Use your existing online presence or marketing skills to promote your membership community. Share teasers of the exclusive content on social media, your blog, or YouTube to attract potential members. Foster a sense of community by actively engaging with your members. Respond to questions, host live Q&A sessions, and encourage discussions within the community. Over time, as your community grows and members value the exclusive content and interactions, your passive income will accumulate. 3. Rental properties. Listen up. If you want consistent cash flow, you must thrive to become a real estate owner. With services like Airbnb, it's now easier than ever to become a property owner and landlord. But if you're broke, don't worry and keep watching to discover how to own real estate with just a few Benjamins. First, you'll need to scout for the right property in a location with strong rental demand. It's essential to understand the local real estate market and calculate potential rental income carefully. Once you've secured a property, you can choose to manage it yourself or hire a property management company to handle the day-to-day tasks. The best part, if you're sophisticated enough, you can have your tenant pay for your mortgage or at least a big chunk of it. 4. Invest in real estate crowdfunding. Are you a brookie with almost no money left from your paycheck? Do you still want to dip your tongue in the real estate market? Well, you can indeed. And here's how. Real estate crowdfunding. With platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul, you can invest in real estate projects for as little as a few $100s. Begin by researching real estate crowdfunding platforms. Each has its own investment options and requirements. Once you've chosen a platform, browse through available projects and choose ones that align with your investment goals. As these projects generate rental income or appreciate in value, you'll receive a portion of the profits, my brother. 5. Create an online course. Here's an interesting fact. A shrimp's heart is in its head. This is irrelevant, but I thought you should know. Anyway, one of my top picks for online passive income methods is creating online courses. By creating an online course about something you're passionate about, such as shrimp anatomy, and selling it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, you can make a fortune with a solid marketing strategy. Once a course is set up, you earn money as students enroll. Research your target audience and competition. Then, create your course content. Whether it's video lessons, written materials, or a combination of both. Once your course is ready, you can promote it through social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to attract students. 6. Publish an ebook. This simple money-generating method will change your life. Joe Popelius, a Canadian full-time college kid, has made over $1 million using this method I'm about to share with you. Very simple. All he does is generate books using AI and market them on Pinterest to middle-aged MILFs. Once your book is ready to be sold, create a sexy landing page that breaks down the book chapters and value provided and has consistent professional branding. Advertise your books on social media platforms to bring traffic to your page, and make sure to create an enticing offer by offering discounts, bundles, or a free copy of another book of yours. Be sure to provide actual value in your AI-generated books, thereby attaining loyal customers who come back for more. 7. Create a YouTube channel. You know this is true. Deep down, you've probably wanted to start a YouTube channel for years. Maybe it's the fear of being judged that's holding you back, being camera shy, or thinking that you're not good enough. But enough is enough. Now it's time to finally begin. How awesome would it be to create a video that people find entertaining and educating? How life-changing is it for you to earn that sweet, passive ad revenue? As your channel grows, you'll monetize it through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even merchandise sales. Now, identify your niche and target audience. Create a content plan with engaging video ideas. Whip out your phone or camera and just post your first video. Consistency is key. Upload high-quality content regularly to attract subscribers and viewers. The best part, you do not even need to show your face or use your voice. You can utilize various AI tools to create a video from start to finish. Now go get that bread. 8. Print on demand. Ladies and gents, in this day and age, it's now easier than ever to make money with no money by utilizing tools on the web. One very powerful tool is print on demand. By using this tool, you have the power to own a clothing brand without the hassle of owning a clothing brand. Print on demand is a game changer in the world of passive income. With POD, you can turn your creative ideas into cash without the need for inventory management. You design unique products, from t-shirts to mugs, and a POD platform takes care of the printing, packing, and shipping, leaving you with more time to focus on scaling your business. The low initial investment, worldwide reach, and customization options make POD an attractive choice for entrepreneurs. If you're looking for a flexible and accessible way to generate passive income, print on demand is your vehicle. Mommy, Daddy, this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching, and I hope I made you proud. Remember, each of these passive income ideas requires effort, research, and dedication. So, find the ones that resonate with you and take that first step toward building your passive income streams. Please give the video a thumbs up and share it with your pet. And don't forget to subscribe to Money Magnet if you wish to magnet big bags of money. Stay tuned for our next video on how to trick your dog into thinking you're its uncle's sister. Peace out.
Eu sou rico, tenho todos vocês atrás de